Well, it was actually private communication, but nalik na, yes. Because that's really my opinion. This is not important. This does not make any difference to even one single Filipino life. So why waste time on this? What will happen to if somebody files an impeachment? It will tie down the House, it will tie down the Senate, it will just take up all the time, and for what? For nothing. None of this will help improve a single Filipino life. As far as I'm concerned, it's a storm in a teacup.
Sir, have you reached the point of no return, you and VP Sara, sir?
Never say never.
Siguro mga 10, 12, like that.
Ang iniimbestigahan namin, yung video clips where nag-threat siya na may nakausap na siyang tao na papatay kay Presidente, sa First Lady at sa Speaker. At yun ay gagawin pagka siya ay namatay. Yun, i-clarify natin maigi yun. Now, may claim din siya na there is a threat on her life. Vice President siya, imbestigahan din natin yan.
Kung sa December 11 pa,
Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, ay this is the first time. Yes. Because this is also the first time that a VP threatens a president.